today we're going to be learning about sign language. In the upcoming clips, we're going to learn how to sign the alphabet and the numbers 1 through 10. So as we continue on with our alphabet, let's learn G, H, and I. Now for G, you just need your one index finger to point straight out. G. G. Looks like this from this side. G. H, you just want to add one more finger. H. H. I, tuck that in and stick out your pinky finger. I. G, H, and I. Let's review that one more time. So G, H, and I. If we put that all together, can you remember the alphabet from A to I? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L, of course, will be coming up in our next clip.